Today, I'm going to teach you how to do something that nobody has revealed in this industry yet. I'm unsure why. Well, I know why. Well, people want to sell this. It's a service that you might see, you might be targeted in with an ad, and it will say how to get featured on Yahoo Finance. Or this is popular now. People are selling this, and they're trying to sell this at volume to make money. This is their business model, right? They say, I'm going to feature you in Fox, MSNBC, or CBS usually, not MSNBC, and Market Watch, and Yahoo Finance. And I do this for my clients, right? I do this in reputation campaigns because they're high domain authority sites. But people are selling this as kind of a coveted brand credibility feature. And you can put as seen on Fox on your website. And no one reveals how they do it. And you might be wondering, if you've seen this service being sold before, how are these people doing it? How do they have access to Fox? I don't know. Should I pay it? They will publish you, but generally they go on Fox as a contributor or as a press release. And press releases are far different than news articles. So a little bit of background for you. We have PR wires, sites like Cision, EIN, Presswire, where you can write a press release, you can publish it, and it will go live on sites like Fox in the press release section. And then you can put as seen on Fox on your website. But it's a press release, it's not a news report. And I need you to understand that. So it works good for ORM, online reputation management campaigns, when we suppress negative content. But really someone doing the legwork, looking into your brand, they're going to understand that this is a press release. I'm going to teach you how to do that today. We have contributors that we work with personally who they will go in and it will go in as a contributor, not a press release. So we pay them a flat fee. And we can directly post on Associated Press, on Fox, on any of these websites. So we do it for both corporate-facing brands and individuals. But there's a much simpler way around it. A lot of people offer this service, and they offer it on a site like फ़iverr.com. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. We're going to go onto the web. I'm going to show you who you could potentially hire. And Fiverr, if your gig isn't delivered, you'll get your money back. As long as within the threshold of your project delivery, you go and protest it. So I recommend looking for someone with enough reviews, enough legitimate-looking reviews. And if you want to publish on Yahoo Finance, for example, here is how you would go about doing it. Okay, please bear with me. This is not going to be the best audio. I'm using QuickTime Record, but tactical and quickly, this is how it works. Head on over to फ़iverr.com, Fiverr.com, and then I want you to type in Yahoo Finance. You want to get featured in Yahoo Finance, so we're going to type it into Fiverr. And let's see which sellers are able to sell on Yahoo Finance. Let's look at a few gigs. 3 generally is not enough reviews for me to trust it. So I created a Fiverr account. I will make your press release live on Yahoo News and Yahoo Finance. Transparent, it's a press release. This is how we do it. And then we publish directly there, 28 reviews. In fact, I've used this seller before. So this one has 3, really not enough for me to trust it. 9, I will write and release for Yahoo News and Yahoo Finance. This image is not very trustworthy to me. It doesn't really showcase what it's doing. I don't see the Yahoo logos, no trust credibility score, doesn't look as put together. Okay, so as you can see, no reviews, 3 reviews, way more expensive. This is probably the best bang for your buck. So I would click this, and as you can see, I can write a press release of up to 300 words, or I can choose other gigs. I can even put my press release on Yahoo Finance as opposed to just Yahoo News. And this is how I would do it.
Press release services on
press release services. So as you can see, your article will go live on Fiverr, and I have one on Fiverr actually that I've used for our own personal brands. And also we have another seller outside of Fiverr who will go in as, instead of a press release, as a contributor. So as you can see, it's as simple as that. You want to publish your content on Yahoo Finance, you just have to open up your web browser, fire up फ़iverr.com, and then publish your article. And yes, they do rank. They rank quite well. And our contributor has published an article for me on Yahoo Finance about our new corporate brand. So it's something you can do. And if you're looking for wide-scale features, so you want more than just Yahoo Finance, we can help you as well. And we can help you do it at a more accessible cost. Again, because our publishers, they'll go in as contributors. And also, it's a lot less for us because we give them volume work, so we get a special rate. So this is just one way that you can go about publishing content. The writing, the communications, it's all a different story. But if you want to boost your online presence, if you want to get featured in Yahoo Finance, this is how you do it. My name is Nadernejad. I appreciate you watching this video. If it helped you, be sure to subscribe, and thank you for watching.